Hi everyone, my name is Rogelio.
My name is Arielle.
My name is Kimberly. And today we are trying some Salvadoran snacks. We just came back from a trip to El Salvador and we brought some candies, some drinks, and some salty snacks as well.
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, yeah! I'm gonna choose cebada. So,
What is that?
I never knew what cebada was until I saw the packaging. I thought it was always like a fruit drink, but it says barley drink on the packaging. I don't know what other things,
What's barley?
like a grain.
Oh.
We bought it in the powder form and then we just made it. It just said to add 2 spoonfuls to a cup of milk or water. And we're using lactate because we're lactose intolerant. But it mixes.
Ew, it's thick.
That's it? I like cebada. I don't know how this brown's gonna taste.
I forgot how
but
it tastes.
oh my gosh. It does look like Pepto-Bismol. I never thought of
Okay,
it.
here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
It wasn't bad.
It's just, there's a lot of spices in there.
It's like, kind of like Nesquik strawberry.
No, it looks like a strawberry milk drink, but it tastes like,
Protein powder.
no, like
This tastes like milk.
allspice, right?
What? Old
Like
Spice?
allspice.
Old Spice.
Out of 10?
That's 7. Yeah, I didn't drink the rest
A 5.
of it. Black spots.
Black spots.
It has like spices in it. I would say a 8.
Oh wow.
I like it. The one from where my mom is in San Julian, like, was really good. They just pour it in a bag and they give it to you in a,
Charamusca.
not a charamusca, it's frozen. But it's really good. I'm gonna choose these chicharrones.
My favorite.
Chicharrones con sabor a limón. Cheers.
Cheers to the third time you try it.
They're so
10.
fresh.
10.
10.
Yeah, these are 10.
They're so lemony.
Your boy's turn.
Okay, take these away.
Pineapple.
Okay, so over there, we found Tang in
Different
3
flavors.
different flavors, and he's choosing pineapple.
Kimberly is.
Cheers
dog.
to 1 million subscribers. Cheers.
Soon.
But you didn't cheers mine.
Yeah, you did.
That we're not gonna get to 1 million because we're arguing.
Ooh. That one's good.
Because you're supposed to triple powder it.
So the packets we got, we thought, oh, they're for a cup. No, they're for 2 liters.
Yeah.
So we were just like, we think this much should be in a cup. We were doing like half teaspoons at a time. Out of 10?
10.
10.
Yeah.
Sounds
10's
really
across the board.
Sir, we're moving on.
Just drink
We're
from
moving
the
on.
cup.
Elotitos. Elotitos sabor a barbacoa.
Ooh. Barbecue, honey.
Here we go. Hold out your hands.
Hello?
Oh, sorry.
No, you have to eat them all.
I don't want to.
Cheers.
Arielle, cheers.
They're hard.
Oh,
They're like corn nuts.
9.
They're good.
No, a 10.
Give it an 8.
I'll give it a 7. They don't taste like barbecue.
Yeah.
You guys are just focusing on the Oh, they're crunchy.
I like crunchy stuff.
They don't taste like barbecue at all.
So this one's Tang the fresa.
Tang de fresa.
The freeze.
There you
Fresa. Chicas fresas.
Eres muy fresa. Cheers. Let's wash it down with some piña.
I like the fresa.
Fresa's good.
It tastes a lot like, it tastes like fresa. It tastes like strawberry.
It tastes like Nesquik strawberry.
Okay, out of 10, y'all?
Oh, a 9.
A 9.
10.
I think this one's better.
Yeah, definitely.
Just because he mixed it. The sweetest girl was the one helping us at the candy stand. I think she said eran dulce de leche. And like a little,
No,
I feel like it's a little pie crust.
Oh, that's a big one, no.
That's big.
That's a big one.
Here we
Cheers.
go.
Let's go.
What is it though?
Dulce de leche. Out of 10?
A 8. I'd eat it again, but
A 7. If you're watching out there,
Thank you.
thank you. Whoever you are, thank you.
I would say an 8 too.
it's good. It kind of tastes like pecan pie or something.
Marshmallows.
I want the blue one.
I want the blue one.
Pink
Hurry
one.
up. Okay, I'll
We
have
can
the
share the blue one.
No, I don't want to share.
Oh, here you go. Ew, just say you want my spit, bro.
Oh, that's nice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait. Cheers. Ugh.
You got my spit.
I don't taste like anything.
Yep. I hate marshmallows. 2.
It's just sweet fluff.
5.
I would say like a 3.
Okay.
There's no taste.
There's no pizzazz.
I'm not gonna diss you like that. Horchata. We gonna get some.
Not a real fan of horchata.
I love horchata, so especially Salvadoran horchata, to be specific.
Yo. No, it's kind of good.
It's
Me
really
falta
grainy.
azúcar.
Yeah, that's why I don't like.
I know. It's grainy,
It's
but
like protein powder.
Yeah.
The taste is good though.
Yeah. It tastes like horchata.
it needs a
it's too
little bit
grainy.
more sugar. Out of 10,
Flavor 9. Graininess.
1.
Yeah.
So flavor 8. Texture bad. Sad.
flavor 8. Yeah, the texture wasn't good. But I also like pulp, so I'm gonna give it like a 5.
I don't like it.
Kimbara kumbara kumba kimbamba, kimbara kumbara kumba kimbamba.
Passion fruit.
Cheers.
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 That's good.
10.
Flavor 10 because it's like.
I'll give it a 9. But I still like the piña one better.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or marzipan.
got a piece of marzipan over here. 10 points if you know
Red for my cup.
who that is. In all honesty, I got these at the airport, so
Oh,
these
wow.
aren't good.
So these aren't from Miss Salvador.
They are. This does
One.
not taste like masapan.
I give it a 1.
Always welcome back. Yeah, I give it a 1.
I want to give it a 0.
Why? You're not going back.
I want peanut bread off. Arielle, you don't need to do that to open it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, cheers mine? For real. Oh, it's not bad.
It's
A
good.
7.
Give it an 8. 7. No, 7.
I'll give it a 7 too.
Next one is this. Is this chocolate? I hope it's chocolate.
I'm not gonna say what it is. I know what it is, but
Cheers. Kimberly.
I don't like it. Is it cocoa?
I don't know what else is in it. I think they cook it longer to give you like a brown.
That's something else in it.
Well, I don't know what else to say, but a few of these have coconut.
Do these have coconut? All of them? Or just the white one?
I think it's these two.
Oh,
This one too.
I'm not gonna eat that.
No, Helio, you have to
No, I don't.
for the video.
No. You have to eat it.
He's having a tantrum.
Cocoa one?
That's -10.
Yes. Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. I would say like a 4. I'm choosing this one. I think
We don't
it's
know what that
dulce de leche.
Someone was gonna make pupusas, but then they just...
It's just masa.
Yeah.
Cheers. Arielle, what is
Cheers.
that? I expect it to be so grainy.
Yeah.
A
That one's
0.
really grainy, but when it melts down, it's like good. With like a milky taste, kind of.
So out of 10?
You're just licking it?
It's like melting in her fingers.
No.
A 6.
A
6.
6.
And then this, Rogelio? Also a 0?
I said a 0. It's better than a -10.
I'll say 6. This is the next one.
Okay. 10.
You know what this is? We love this. It is tamarindo. Mm. 10. It's literally just sugar infused with tamarindo. It's so delicious. It's like
But the tamarindo has like a sourness to it.
so it balances it out. It's like really tart.
Pan dulce con jalea de fresa. Fresa.
Jalea is just another, it's a Central American term for like marmalade.
Jalea is another Central American term for marmalade.
Marmalade.
I'm sorry.
Freaking!
I thought this was my own shit.
Yeah. I'd say a 2.
No.
The cookie is bland. And the jam was not jamming.
I could have that like on a regular day basis.
I don't know, the cookie's just not.
You sure are eating it again though.
I say a 5.
You know what it tastes like, and I don't like those cookies? Those lady fingers. I don't like them.
What is that? I don't know what this is.
I don't remember what that one was.
I'm trying chocolate.
That might be different. That's not chocolate. They're saying
They
things
don't
that
know. They don't know.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't remember what flavor that was. If you know, let us know in the comments. But she gave me the
Oh, these are freaking hard.
flavors of all of them, but this one.
Here we go. Cheers. Cheers. No. I didn't like that.
Y'all have gumballs too. I wonder how they taste.
Let me see. I'll tell you.
I can't really get a taste of anything.
It's just sugar.
Yeah. Out of 10 for that candy?
1.
Yeah. 2.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. I'll do also a 1. I have these for
Coco.
10 points if you know where that's from.
Comment down below if you think she's crazy.
Rogelio! You're such a baby, dude.
So,
This one's good.
10.
That's gonna like some.
It tastes just like cocoa. Coconut.
yeah, the cherry too. They're just weird. Like they're just weird.
It's just straight up sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1.
Well,
Okay, this is fresa.
Where's the cherry flavor to that?
last one.
I don't remember which this one is, and it looks a little different than I remember. It's just like fossilized or something in
Did you not
transit.
eat it while you're on the plane?
I like, and then put it back.
Ew.
Oh, that one looks.
There's no honey.
You know, with the coconut.
No, it doesn't have coconut.
What is this?
Out of 10? 1.
2. It was better than rainbows over here.
Coco.
I would say a 1. What was your favorite?
Chicharrón.
Margarita, chicharrones, and all the,
Oh,
the
piña juice.
tang drinks.
All the drinks for me. I like the turtles. I like the coco. Tamarindo, of course.
The turtle. Oh,
Oh, that was good.
I didn't like those. Sorry, little girl.
Anything.
No, I like these. The cookies, elotitos, chicharrones. I didn't like this brittle thing.
Oh yeah, and you don't like peanuts.
Uh-huh. And then the tang drink. Piña on top. Where is it?
Piña's gone.
Piña's gone.
You guys drink it all.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified of when we do upload. We'll see you soon. Bye.